Hey folks, today we're diving into a battle between two rugged warriors from Amazfit, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 and its predecessor, the Amazfit T-Rex 2. Both of these watches are built to survive the toughest environments. But is the new T-Rex 3 worth the upgrade? Let's find out as we break down the key differences and similarities, and ultimately help you decide which one is right for you. Starting off with build quality, both the T-Rex 2 and T-Rex 3 are military-grade tough, meaning they can take a beating in just about any situation. They're both shock-resistant, dive-rated, and dust-proof, so if you're the type of person who's always out hiking, camping, or just hard on your gear, either will get the job done. The main difference? The Amazfit T-Rex 3 comes with a slightly more refined design. It still rocks that metal bezel, but it's more polished, making it look a bit sleeker compared to the more industrial, rugged feel of the T-Rex 2. The T-Rex 3 also introduces an octagonal shape, giving it a distinctive, standout look. If you want something a bit more modern without losing toughness, the T-Rex 3 gets the edge here. Let's move on to display. The Amazfit T-Rex 2 has a 1.3 9-inch AMOLED display, which is plenty bright and looks great outdoors, even in direct sunlight. It's crisp and colorful, offering great visibility no matter where you are. But the Amazfit T-Rex 3 takes it up a notch with a larger 1.5-inch AMOLED display, boasting an incredible 2000 nits of brightness. This means you're getting an even brighter screen that's easier to read, especially when you're outside under the sun. Plus, the T-Rex 3 has a slightly higher resolution, making text and graphics pop just a bit more. If you're big on display quality, the T-Rex 3 is the clear winner here. When it comes to battery life, both watches are beasts. The Amazfit T-Rex 2 promises up to 24 days of typical use, and around 26 hours in high-accuracy GPS mode. That's already great for most outdoor adventurers, especially if you're heading out for multi-day treks. The Amazfit T-Rex 3, however, pushes things even further with 27 days of typical use and around 42 hours of high-accuracy GPS tracking. While the differences are huge, the T-Rex 3 also has a slight edge in everyday use, and its improved battery efficiency helps keep it going longer. Both watches come loaded with plenty of features and sensors to keep track of your fitness and outdoor activities. You get heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, altimeter, compass, barometer, and more in both models. They even support external Bluetooth sensors like chest straps and bike power meters. But the T-Rex 3 steps it up with a newer heart rate sensor that improves accuracy, especially during intense workouts. Plus, it introduces voice controls through its onboard microphone. While you won't be taking phone calls with it, you can use voice commands to set timers, start workouts, or check the weather directly from the watch. This added functionality makes the T-Rex 3 more user-friendly, especially if you like hands-free operation. Both the T-Rex 2 and T-Rex 3 offer dual-band GPS, which is excellent for outdoor activities like hiking, running, or biking. The T-Rex 2 is already quite reliable in GPS performance, tracking your location and distance accurately. However, the T-Rex 3 improves on this with slightly better GPS accuracy, particularly in challenging environments like forests or urban areas with tall buildings. It's not a night and day difference, but if you need precise tracking for specific activities, the T-Rex 3 is a bit more refined in this department. When it comes to the user experience, both watches are similar in terms of interface and app integration. They both sync with the Zepp app, which aggregates all your fitness data and lets you customize the watch faces and features. The T-Rex 3 has a faster, more responsive interface, which is especially noticeable when scrolling through menus or using the watch's various apps. It's a subtle but nice upgrade for those who value a smooth experience. Here's something that might interest divers. Both watches are dive rated up to 100 meters, making them suitable for scuba diving and other underwater adventures. However, the T-Rex 3 holds the edge with its EN 13319 certification, a standard found on higher-end diving watches. If you're serious about underwater exploration, this is a nice perk. Now, let's talk about the price. The Amazfit T-Rex 2 is currently available for around $200, while the Amazfit T-Rex 3 comes in at about $280. For the extra $80, you're getting a brighter display, better GPS accuracy, improved sensors, and voice commands. So, is the upgrade worth it? If you're already rocking the T-Rex 2, it's still a fantastic watch, and upgrading isn't absolutely necessary unless you really want those new features. But if you're buying new, the T-Rex 3 gives you enough improvements and future-proofing to justify spending a bit more. So, is the Amazfit T-Rex 3 worth the upgrade over the T-Rex 2? Yes, if you're after the latest tech and extra features. The brighter display, improved GPS accuracy, and new voice controls make it a solid step up. But if you're already using the T-Rex 2, it still offers incredible value, and you don't need to rush out for the upgrade unless you're craving the latest and greatest. Either way, you're getting a tough, feature-packed smartwatch that's built to keep up with all your outdoor adventures. That's all for today's comparison. Let me know which watch you'd choose in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech reviews. See you next time.